Hey y'all, welcome to my channel Beauty with Q Bella. I'm Bella. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're back, hey babe. So today we're gonna get into this install. Pretty color, yeah. Don't forget to click my Amazon link down below where you guys can see all of the hair products that I use and so much more. Let's get right into the install.
I love you, what I'm trying to say. I love you, I love you, what I'm trying to say. I love you, what I'm trying to say. I love you, I love you, what I'm trying to say.
I'm just straightening it today because I do have to go to the supermarket with my mother in a little while. I just want to give y'all the hair details. I'm gonna give the review of how I feel about the wig in a few days. So yeah, but this is just the hair details. This is a 28-inch wig, the 427 highlight wig. The density is 180. The lace is 13x4 HD lace. It's glueless, and the hairline was also pre-plucked, which I highly agree with. Like, look, okay, yeah, pre-plucked. The total for the wig is well, for the 28-inch is $179.99 at the moment, and there is a $50 coupon at checkout. That's all the details. Okay, now so far what I have noticed about the wig is the shedding. I don't like the amount of shedding, to be honest. Like, I don't like it. Everything else about the wig is wonderful so far, but the shedding, like, yeah. But we're gonna see what's going on. I'm gonna wear this wig for a few days and I'm gonna come back. This is the right there. Do we give 28? Like, this is my hip right here. I'll see y'all in a few days. This is the final product today, day one. It's been over a week now, and I'm here with everything I think about the wig. I gave y'all the hair details already. This wig, I was very excited to get this wig. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I still like the wig, don't get me wrong, but the shedding just, it be getting under my skin a little bit. Like, this company definitely, they need to work on the shedding. The lace was very easy to manage, very easy to work with. The knots came super small. No funny smell I had to deal with. It's literally just the shedding. Like, the hair came super fast. The customer service is great, but the shedding just, it threw me off with this wig. I'm not gonna lie. I'll still wear it for sure. Like, don't ever, let's not get that twisted, okay? But yeah, besides the shedding, everything is okay with the wig. Do I recommend it? It's sort of iffy. Honestly, it's not like balding shedding, but shedding is shedding at the end of the day as well. If they work on that, this wig would be a 10, literally. Like, I love the length and everything. It's just, yeah, the hair is super soft. It don't tangle quickly, you know, which is sort of surprising. You know, with colored wigs like this, like light color wigs, it usually like tangles a little bit fast. I don't know if it's me, if I'm tripping, or yeah, but yeah, just work on the shedding. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you guys next hair video. Don't forget to click my Amazon link down below where you can see all of the hair products that I use and so much more. I'll see you guys next video.